In this video, we'll show you how to change the hood on your Honda Accord. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For this operation, we advise you to ask someone to help you to prevent the hood from falling during disassembly and reassembly. Open the hood. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the first of the two retaining bolts securing the hood to the hood hinge. Do the same on the other side. While the second person holds the hood on the other side, unscrew the second retaining bolt. Do the same on the other side. When unscrewing the last bolt, be careful to hold the hood firmly to prevent it from falling and damaging other bodywork parts. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Once the 4 bolts have been unscrewed and with the hood held firmly, remove the rod retaining the hood and remove the hood. You can order the hood used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Put the hood back in place on the hood hinges and screw the retaining bolts on each side of the hood back on, initially by hand. Using the wrench, tighten the bolts sufficiently to secure the assembly, but don't over-tighten. Leave enough play to allow you to adjust the alignment of the hood in relation to the fender. The hood must be aligned with the side fenders and front bumper cover in closed position. Carefully close the hood. First, check the gap between the hood and the side fenders. It must be identical and the constant along the whole length. Then, check the gap between the hood and front bumper cover. You can control the gap by adjusting the height of the 2 rubber buffers located on the radiator support cover. If necessary, unscrew the hood retaining bolts very slightly to allow clearance needed to adjust the alignment. Once the adjustments have been made, tighten the retaining bolts. Operation complete.